In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Amazon with Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, selling on Amazon can be a fantastic opportunity if you want to tap into a massive marketplace. And when you combine it with a print-on-demand service like Printify, you can easily create and sell your own custom products without having to manage inventory. So let's dive into it. First, you'll need to create an account with Printify if you haven't done so already. Head over to the Printify website and sign up. It's a pretty straightforward process. You just need to provide some basic information like your email address and a password, and then you're good to go. Once your account is set up, the next step is to select the types of products you want to sell. Printify offers a variety of items from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases. Think about what you're passionate about or what niche you want to focus on. If you're into fitness, for example, you might want to design workout gear. If you love pets, consider creating fun pet merchandise. The possibilities are endless. After you've decided on your product type, you'll need to create your design. This step is crucial because your design will directly affect your sales. You can use graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop or Canva, or if you're not into design, you can hire a freelance designer to create unique artwork for you. Just make sure that your designs are high resolution and visually appealing. Once you have your design ready, it's time to upload it to Printify. The platform is user-friendly, and uploading your design is as simple as dragging and dropping it onto the product template. Play around with positioning to see what looks best. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and sizes. Take your time with this. Your product should stand out and catch the eye of potential buyers. Now that your product looks great, it's time to connect Printify to your Amazon seller account. If you don't have one, you'll need to register as a seller on Amazon. Make sure to choose the correct type of account, either an individual or a professional account, depending on how much you plan to sell. To link Printify to your Amazon account, just go to the Printify dashboard and find the Manage My Stores section. Click on Add New Store, then choose Amazon. You will be prompted to log into your Amazon seller account and give Printify permission to manage your products. It's pretty easy, and they'll guide you through the steps. Once you have connected your accounts, you can start publishing your products directly from Printify to Amazon. Select the items you want to publish, provide product descriptions, and set your pricing. It's important to research competitive pricing to ensure you're offering a price that's attractive to customers while still allowing you a reasonable profit margin. Now let's talk about product listings. When writing descriptions, be sure to include relevant keywords that potential buyers might use to search for your products. Think about what makes your product unique and highlight those features. Share information about the materials, sizing, and care instructions to provide customers all the information they need to make a purchase. Once your products are live on Amazon, you don't just sit back and relax. You'll need to promote your products to generate sales. Consider using social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your items. You can also run ads on Amazon to reach a broader audience. The more effort you put into marketing, the more likely your products will be discovered by shoppers. Finally, keep an eye on your sales and customer feedback. Customer satisfaction is key to building a successful business. Respond to inquiries quickly and address any issues that may arise. Positive reviews will enhance your credibility and drive even more sales. So there you have it. Selling on Amazon with Printify can be a rewarding venture when you put in the effort to create amazing products and effectively market them. Remember, the key to success is consistency and engagement, so stay active in your online store. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you did. Happy selling!